Hey everyone, it's Nick Valenti with NJ Valenti Art, and in today's video I want to share my approach to cartooning in vector. So this technique is different than the previous one where we kept the line art and color separate. Here we'll be creating the shapes with stroke and then filling the stroke shapes with color. Here I'm creating the more unique shapes with the pen tool. I will layer and overlap these as I start filling in the colors. When creating these shapes, I want to make sure I'm closing off the entire shape. So for the head, I ignored the teeth, which I will then do and bring it behind the head shape later on when I fill it with color. For the eyes, I create one ellipse for the eye itself, then create and drag the ellipse for the pupil into the eye shape itself. Now as I start filling the shapes with color, you'll see how I layer and overlap the various elements to make them all read correctly for the whole image. This is a simple cartoon, but you could always come in and add shadows or highlights or any other extra details. But here I'm going to go ahead and just add in his legs, and then we'll be about done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short how-to video. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Until next time.